everyone! I am Angela. In today's vlog, I'll be creating a flower arrangement inspired by a romantic picnic date. I show you how I applied color harmony to achieve a romantic and elegant aesthetic. Bye! First, we have our fuzzy wire. I have three colors here: burgundy red, and light green. Then I have this stick for fuzzy wire. This will be served as the base or stem where we attach the petals. I will also use a pair of scissors to cut the fuzzy wire to the right lengths and a pen to wrap the wire around to create nice spiral shapes. The arrow is pointing to the bouquet wrapper, which we use at the end to make our craft look neat and beautiful. Hey everyone! Today we're going to make a beautiful flower arrangement featuring burgundy red, and light green colors. These shades look stunning together, and the two reds will be for our petals and the light green will be for our leaves and design accents. Okay, now for the fun part, I've got my pen right here and this fuzzy wire. I'm just going to wrap it around the pen like this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, you need to push the fuzzy wire together and twist it 2 times to lock the fuzzy wire. 1, 2. You need to lock it again. So you need to twist it 2 times. 1, 2. And it creates this really cute spiral shape. So after this, you end up something like this. Then you just need to press it down a bit to make it flat, just like this. And once you flatten all of them, start twisting them so they lay sideways. That way, they really look like petals. And just keep repeating the process until you made a lot of this. I'm gonna make a bunch of this and I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. Bye! So guys, hi! Here's some of my works. Red and burgundy red. I'll be back again. This is how I made these cute leaves using fuzzy wires. I just cut 2 pieces, bent them in the middle, twisted the bottom for the stem, and shaped the top like a leaf. Watch closely to see how I made it. And now, I will be wrapping this beautiful bouquet and sharing a little about my experience with flower arrangement. As I arrange the flowers, I'm thinking about balance, colors, and how each flowers can tell a story. It's amazing how a simple combination can create a whole mood. I learned that flower arrangement isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about expressing emotions and creating a feeling for the person who will receive it. It taught me patience, attention to detail, and how small choices can make a big difference.